2020. Datuk Dr. Norzari bin Hamad, Secretary General of Ministry of Tourism, Arts and Culture, has been assigned to this position since 16 December 2019. Today, I truly look forward to meet and greet you, particularly our valued MM2H participants from all over the world who have chosen Malaysia as their first choice to reside and make Malaysia their second home. On behalf of the Ministry of Tourism, Arts and Culture Malaysia, I would like to extend my sincere appreciation for your gracious presence. I thank you for taking the time of your busy schedule to join us at this event. I would also like to record my deep appreciation, especially to the members of Malaysia, my second home participants, my utmost appreciation for your presence. I am happy to note that many of you have been here, rain or shine, not only have chosen Malaysia as your second home, but have also made Malaysia your home. Therefore, today's platform, among others, is to gauge your well-being, happiness and assimilation, living in Malaysia and with our fellow Malaysians. In addition, it is also the objective of this engagement session to provide avenue for MM2H alike to raise concerns as well as highlight of any deceptions or any miscommunication. Meantime, the Ministry will also embark on comprehensive study of the program this year as to enable the Ministry to strengthen the policy directions of his program in order to meet the aspirations and lifestyles of MM2H participants and family. Ladies and gentlemen, to date, Malaysia, my second home program for many years been a runaway success. The MM2H program has been among the world's most popular residence by investment program for nearly 2 decades, attracting more than 48,000 new residents to Malaysia. For the past 5 years until 2019, China remains the dominant participation, accounting for more than 35% of total numbers of approved applicants. While Japan, Bangladesh, Republic of Korea, United Kingdom, Hong Kong, Singapore, Taiwan, Iran and India accounted for the remainder of top 10 participations. The success of this program, however, are not without challenges, especially in terms of getting the quality candidates into the program and attributes of the program that have to evolve with trends and preferences of its market. The Government of Malaysia has to study and develop pull factors to attract future potential market because different nationalities have different preferences. Finding the right balance where interests of the clients and those of the government are aligned is very challenging because this is where the key issues arise. Plenty of mistakes can be made, would undermine both interests of the government and the clients. Thus far, we are now at the crossroad. With the 18 years of implementation, it is timely for the government to go back to the drawing board to reconsider the interests of all stakeholders to the program. It is more important than ever to strengthen the program with a clear and coherent framework, thus establish a set of harmonized and well-established rules where all parties involved should follow. By doing so, we will be able to build the credibility of the program and the trust towards this industry. Ladies and gentlemen, as you all have known, that this year is very special year to us and it's Visit Malaysia 2020. It is my fervent hope that all of you in this hall will help Malaysia by telling and sharing to everyone you know of how beautiful, how peaceful, and how wonderful it is to be in Malaysia. We have interesting lineup of events, destinations, and tour packages all up for grabs worth considering. In conclusion, with the word Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, it is my pleasure to officially declare open the Malaysia My Second Home Meet and Greet 2020. Thank you very much. Salam sejahtera.